Take two 1.5 volt AA electric cells. The region with the metal cap is the positive terminal of the cell, and on the opposite side, the region with the flat metal base is the negative terminal. Join the positive terminal of one cell with the negative terminal of the other using electrical tape. This is called a battery. A battery is simply a combination of two or more electric cells connected together in a series combination or a parallel combination. What are these combinations? Well, if the cells are connected as shown with their opposite terminals connected together, then we say that this is a series combination of cells. We simply say that the cells are connected in series. Parallel combination is when the positive terminals or the negative terminals of the cells are connected together. However, we are only interested in the series combination of cells. In everyday life, we call this single cell a battery. But in physics, a battery is a combination of more than one cell. So this is a battery with a positive terminal on one side and a negative terminal on the opposite side. We can even connect more cells to the system, but always make sure that the positive and the negative terminals are connected together. Even if 4 are connected together, it will still be called one battery. Now let's talk more about a battery. What is the voltage of a battery of combination of two cells? Well, if the cells are connected in series, then their voltages add up. This means that the voltage of this battery will be 1.5 plus 1.5 volts. It's the sum of these two voltages. What will this be equal to? It will be 2 times 1.5 volts, which equals 3 volts. So this battery is twice as strong as one individual cell of that battery. But wait, it does not mean that this battery will last twice as long. So what does it imply? We first need to understand that different devices require different voltage power sources for functioning. The torch bulb in our torch requires a 3-volt battery to light up brightly. This is why the series combination of cells is used in a torch. If you remember, this is how you insert cells in a torch so that opposite terminals are in contact with each other. We must have also seen battery compartments in devices in this shape. How do we insert cells in this cell holder? Yes, we compress the spring by inserting the negative terminal of the cell. What is the spring made up of? It's made up of metal and hence it conducts electricity. On the opposite side, the positive terminal of the cell is also in contact with some metal thing. In the same way, we insert the second cell. But are the cells connected in a series combination here? Looks like a parallel combination, right? No, they are in a series combination. If we carefully look at one end inside an empty cell holder, we will find a thin metal wire or a metal rod connecting the positive terminal of one side with the negative terminal on the adjacent side. So that is how the cells inside this container are connected in a series combination.